Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. So today's video, y'all, I went to Target. Okay y'all, I'm done at Target. I want to go over some of the deals that I'm gonna do. So the Persil didn't work out like I wanted to, but it's still a good deal. The Persil, these are the 38 packs. They have a deal going on. If you buy two, you're gonna get a $5 Target gift card. These are $11.99 a piece. So two of them is going to be about $24. And then I have two $4 off coupons. It's going to take off $4. So it's going to make my out-of-pocket $20. And then I'm going to get back $5. So it's going to make my out-of-pocket $15. And then after that, checkout 51. Yeah, that rebate just expired on me. So I can't get the $2 back on checkout 51. But I will be getting back $4 on Shop Kit. So my final out of pocket is about $11 for both of them, or about what, $5.50 a piece, which is still good. You know, like I said, I use Persil and I'll just have a lot of it. So about $5.50 per Persil container. This Skintimate razor deal, yeah, I didn't even know it was going on. I ran up on it. So the Skintimate razor deal is buy two, get a $5 extra care buck back. Each one of these are not extra care buck back. I'm sorry, I'm so used to going to Target. Gift card, get a $5 gift card back. Each one of these are $7.99. So two of them are going to be about $16 out of pocket. And then I have these $4 coupons that were in our last inserts that just came out on Sunday. So 16 take away 8. So my out of pocket is going to be $8. And then I'm going to get back yeah, I'm doing okay, thank you. And then I'm going to get back a $5 extra care buck back, making my final out of pocket about $3 for each. $3 for both of them, or about $1.50 per razor. And I just end up getting maxing it out, so I'm gonna use it twice. I'm gonna do the deal twice. So I got the razor that comes with the refill, so kind of like a package deal. All right, so the next thing is the 5-star notebooks. The notebooks at the bottom are on sale $2.79, and then these folders are on sale, I want to say $1.25. So $2.79, so about $2.80 plus $2.80 is about $5.60. And then checkout 51 is giving back $1.25 for two. And Ibotta is giving back another $1 if you buy two. So I'm gonna get back, I'm gonna pay $5.60 and get back $2.50. I'm gonna get back $2.25. I'll do the math at the end for that. So $2.25 I'm gonna get back on a 5-star. These right here are, again, they are $1.25, so two of them is $2.50. And then I'm gonna get back a total of $2.25 in rebates. So it's gonna be a quarter out of pocket for both folders. The Febreze, I always let these expire, so I'm just in here. I'm just gonna pick up some things for the Febreze. Now, these are $2.99. This one and this one is $2.99. So buy one, because this is the coupon. Buy one, get one free. So this one will be $2.99 and this one will be free. This one is $2.99, so they'll be free, and then I'll have to pay for this one, which is $5.19. Now, I have a lot of these plug-in things, yeah, but no scents. So I just end up buying a little pack that come with both of them, so I can start using these little plug-ins, because usually I just pick up the plug-ins and I don't pick up the scents. So it's time to pick up the scents, I guess. So this one is a little pricey. It's $5.19 out of pocket, and then like I said, that'll be free. So that's how the Febreze deal works out. And then this one is $3, and then that one be free. All right, so I did a little clearance shopping. So the Tresemme down there is the foam shampoo. Let me show you. So it's $2.98, and so I got 2 of them. So it's gonna make my out-of-pocket 6. And then I have this coupon here for $4 off too. So it's gonna make my out-of-pocket $2 or $1 per Tresemme shampoo or conditioner. I found this Nexus. What is this? Conditioning foam cream for $7.48. And I have this coupon here for $5 off. So it's gonna make my out-of-pocket $2.48 for the Nexus, which is really expensive. Shea Moisture. I found it on clearance for $4.48. Let me see who's giving back $2. I want to say that is Checkout 51. Yep, Checkout 51 is giving back $2, so it's gonna make my out-of-pocket $2.28 for this skin cream body wash, which I like from Shea Moisture. Now this deal here, I'm not sure if this deal is gonna work out for me. So the Aussie, I'm not sure that's Aussie. I know it's Aussie. Maybe it ain't. Yeah. This Aussie Sleep and Warrior Dry Conditioner. It's on clearance for $2.48. They have a special where if you buy 4 things of Aussie, you're gonna get a $5 extra care buck back. So I'm purchasing 4 of them. I gotta go and pick up another one. So let's see here. So 4 times 2 is 8. So it'd be about $10 out of pocket. And then I have these 2 coupons. So it's gonna take $4 off. So it's gonna be $6 out of pocket. And then I should, if it works out on clearance, which I'm not sure, I'm just gonna check it out. If it don't work out, I might return them. But so it'll be $6 out of pocket, and I should get a $5 extra care buck back, making it $1 out of pocket for all 4. I'll let you know if that works out. And this is how my cart looks. Off to the register. I finally got a chance to go to Target. Target had some okay deals this week. I picked up some things that had rebates. So we're just going to call this a Target Ibotta couponing haul. That's what it is. All right, so let's start with the first thing I'm excited about, the Persil. So the Persil this week was if you buy 2, you get a $5 extra care buck. Now, these are the big containers of Persil, 38 discs. Again, I like Persil, so whenever it goes on sale, a coupon comes out, I try to buy them, well, all of it. Both of them together was $23.98. They were buy 2, get a $5 gift card. I had 2 $2 coupons taking $4 off, making my final out-of-pocket for the Persil $19.98 for the Persil. Checkout 51 is giving me back $4 in swag bucks. Swag bucks is giving me back another $4. So from that $19.98, I'll get back $8 plus the $5 gift card that it comes with for the Persil. I get the final breakdown at the end. Now, this deal right here, I didn't even expect this deal. I just kind of ran up on this deal. Plus, the box looks so cute. So, the Skintimate razors are buy 2, get a $5 extra care buck. So, buy 2 and get a $5 extra care buck back. Each one of these were $7.99. So, $7.99 times 2, that's $15.98. I had 2 $4 off coupons that was in our previous inserts. It just came out on Sunday. So it took $8 off, making my out-of-pocket $7.98. And then I'm going to get a $5 extra care buck back for those 2 products. So this is my first transaction, the Persil and the Skintimate razors. So spend $25, get $5 off. My total came up to $27.96. I got back, they took out $5 for the spend $25. So that made my out-of-pocket $22.96. I had a $10 Target gift card from Ibotta. So it took $10 off, making my out-of-pocket $12.96. I got back $4 from Swag Bucks for these. $4 for checkout, $51 for that. $5 gift card for the Persil. A $5 gift card for the Skintimate razors. So my final out-of-pocket for my first transaction is free plus a $5.44 money maker. So free for my first transaction. All right, I took that $10 extra care, not extra care, but Lord have mercy, $10 Target gift card from this transaction, and we rolling gift cards today because who want to spend all this money out of pocket? Honey. So I took this $10 gift card from this transaction and I rolled it over here to this transaction right here. So I did the Skintimate deal again because I have a lot of those coupons. So I did the Skintimate deal again. I have them in printable and I have them on in a smart source this past Sunday, and they on a printable. So on coupons.com they also have them. So I did this deal again, $7.99 times 2, $15.98 minus $8 in coupons, $7.98 out of pocket, and then I got a $5 extra care buck back. Now I picked up some notebooks and some folders. I write down a lot of things in my notebook, my couponing deals. I jot down just ideas, things I need to do for the week, the day. So I'm always looking for new notebooks. And Ibotta had a rebate on them and checkout 51. So that was a great thing. These were $2.79. So $2.79 times 2, $5.98. The folders were on sale for $1.25. Times 2, so $2.50. So my total for all 4 products is $8.08 out of pocket. Checkout 51 gave me back $2.50. Ibotta gave me back $1. So I paid $4.58 for all 4 products, or about $1.14 each. I'm excited about that deal because, again, I like 5-star products. They're very good quality products. So to get them on sale is great. All right, y'all. I found some things on clearance. I was too excited when I found this stuff on clearance. So the Tresemme foam shampoo, $2.98. I bought 2 of them, making my out-of-pocket $5.96. I had a 4 off 2 coupon that came in our previous insert. So I think it's the past insert that just came out on Sunday. If not, it's the Sunday before last. Took $4 off, making my out-of-pocket $1.96 for both of them, or about $1 a piece for each of them. Now this is a foam shampoo. That's probably why I didn't really sell all that great, but I use any shampoo, to be honest. I just use whatever, as long as it lather up. So this foam shampoo, $1 per container. Now this Nexus, honey, Nexus is expensive than a mofo. So to find it on clearance is great. $7.48. I had a $5 off printable coupon off coupons.com. Took off $5, making my out-of-pocket for this Nexus $2.48. I like Nexus products. What is this? A conditioning foam? Let me see. Foam. It's just, instead of you using a conditioning, like the conditioner that comes in like the squeeze bottle, you got a conditioning foam. So I'm gonna try that out. $5 out of pocket after $2.48 out of pocket after that coupon. Shea butter is high as heck, y'all. $8.99, but I found it on clearance for $4.48. no manufacturer coupons, but checkout 51 is giving back $2. So make my final out of pocket for this Shea Butter Body Wash, Skin Renewal Recipe Body Wash, $2.48. I like Shea Moisture products, so to find something for $2.48, I'm winning. I wish I would have had more, but this is the only one I found. I couldn't even find no more. This is the last one, I guess. So I'll let y'all know how this Shea Butter Body Wash works out for me. All right, and the last deal I got was the Febreze deal. Now, I had a coupon in our July P&G for buy one, get one free. I always let those coupons expire, so I try to use them when I see something in Target or Walmart. So, I got this deal. So, with the Febreze is $2.99 free. So, $2.99. The coupon took out $2.54, which make that free. So, $2.99 out of pocket for the Febreze. I like Hawaiian Ola too. I like that. And then something for the car. Peony and cedar. I really don't like car smells to be strong. So if that's strong, that ain't going to work. But I'll try it. I used 2 of them. So I got the second deal with Febreze. Now, with Febreze Light. That coupon said you can use it on Febreze Light. And I smelled this and this is good. I am not a fan of strong smells at all. I don't like strong perfumes, strong colognes, none of that. So I like light smelling things. So I always pick up these Febreze plugs, and then I never pick up the oil scent. So I just got a lot of these around, but no oil scents. So I picked this up so I can finally get some oil scents. So this kit was $4.99. This is $2.54, making it free. So that's how that deal went with the Febreze. I'll let y'all know how they smell in the future. It smells good on the scratch and sniff. So I'm excited to plug that up. All right, so this is how my deal worked out. I scratched out some things because I forgot to add up something. So if I would have walked into Target for my second transaction without any coupons, I would have paid $55.04 out of pocket. My coupon took off $22.08, making my out-of-pocket $32.96. I rolled the $10 $10 gift card from the first transaction. I rolled it into the second one, so it took off $10, making my final out-of-pocket for all those items $22.96. Checkout 51 gave me back $2 for the shea butter. Checkout 51 gave me back $2.50 for the folders. Ibotta gave me back $1 for the notebooks. And then I also received a $5 gift card for the razors, making my final out of pocket for all items $12.46. I had a great haul at Target. Nothing went wrong. Everything went actually right. I always go to self-checkout so I can take my time and do my deals at Target because, yeah, it just be a little, people just be really in a hurry at Target. So, I don't know. I just always go to self-checkout. So, that's my Target haul. I hope you all enjoy my haul. Y'all, I'm on my way to 10K, y'all. Y'all see that? I'm on my way to 10K. I'm so excited. Yes, I am so excited. Thank you all for helping me reach my goal. I'm almost there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what you waiting on? I show you how to save money, honey. Yes, I show you how to save money. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all again for watching. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.